Welcome back to the channel, everyone. The Santa Maria here, and as always, I've received my monthly Vellabox in this month, and I always like to unbox it on camera with my elves, of course, because that's what makes it more fun. As you all know, I've been working with Vellabox and receiving Vellabox for a long time now. I want to say over 6 months at this point, and it's a monthly candle subscription service that I really enjoy. It's a lot of fun because I kind of know what I'm gonna get, but then I kind of don't know what I'm gonna get, meaning that each month there's a different brand. They feature small candle companies that are in the US. We like that. They're always very clean burning, paraben free, pretty safe. And I mean, I like they always have different causes and meanings and purposes behind the brands. I really enjoyed that, as well as they're so friendly and they interact so much on social media. So I like that. I always get small company candles. They're like really nice. And the owners are always so great and so fun and so super sweet. For this month, we are unboxing our Vellabox this month. And what makes this one different is that in addition to just the traditional Vellabox subscription, they also did a partnership with Scentbird. So this is a 2-for-1 box. This is Scentbird as well as Vellabox, which I'm super excited because I've heard a lot about Scentbird, and yeah, we're gonna talk about that in a minute. But before I get completely ahead of myself, elves, you know what time it is. First things first. Lipstick of the day, everyone. It is flash flooding all day, and yeah, it's puddles of water everywhere. So we're comfortable, we're cozy, and we look very natural. And this is none other than MAC Love Nectar lip gloss. I've been wearing this a lot lately, so yeah, I'm really digging this. It's pretty. Next up, we have fragrance of the day. Fragrance of the day is one of my recent purchases. I do enjoy this one so far. This is from the house of Givenchy. This is their L'Interdit Rouge. This is their newest one, so I am enjoying this. This was a lovely Ulta buy. So yeah, I'll definitely have all this linked below for you all. So now let's get into unboxing the box and see what we got inside. As always, this is our standard box. It comes very eco-friendly and minimalistic. We like that. All right, this month's message on the inside is be bold and take life to new heights. For the full experience, play our March playlist on Spotify. Okay, Vellabox is showing out lately. They partnering and everybody and doing all these collabs. We got Spotify going on this month, and we also have Scentbird going on this month. So all of that is pretty cool. I like how they're branching out lately. We have a flyer in here, which we'll get to in a minute. And let's see what we got. Okay. As always, so we have our candle in here as well as our special item that came with Scentbird. I'm super excited about this. So this is the candle. The bag is different this month. It's pretty festive. I like it. So let's unbag the candle, everyone. The candle I received is called Love Affair. It's an all-natural soy candle, and it's from the brand Hardeman Home. This is the label. Definitely check this out. I like this. I love these standard jars. Woo! A little dusty there. So now let's read the notes. Let's see here. The notes in the Love Affair candle are grapefruit, peach, apple, cherry blossom, hydrangea, and powder. So this is gonna be fruity floral. That's what this is gonna be based on those notes. It's a single wick candle, white wax, and again, this is a soy wax candle. This is really romantic smelling. I definitely get the peach and the apple more than anything. I definitely want to see where the hydrangea and the powder open up at, but it'll have to come when I burn it. But yeah, this is a very spring love affair, which March is the beginning of spring, so I definitely get why this is called Love Affair. I like my candle. I'm digging it. And since we have this lovely collab with Scentbird this month, this is the perfume, how it comes. With Scentbird, your perfumes come like this in these 8 ml vials that are good for a lot of different samplings. That way you get to try a lot of different scents instead of having to purchase full-size bottles of everything. And they have a lot of your favorite popular designer scents. They have like Tom Ford, they have Dolce & Gabbana. I've seen all of that on there. But for this special collab, we got a special scent. And yeah, of course, I will be spraying it and testing it live on camera. This is a true first impressions. We have our scent strip and we have the fragrance, so let's see what happens. The fragrance is called Scarlet from Decca Scarlet, and the notes are blackcurrant berries, rose, suede accord, peony, and sandalwood. So this is very floral, dash of fruity, but more so floral than anything. But that sandalwood normally makes things creamy, so let's see what this is talking about. Oh, this is straight rose. Oh, this is like very rosy. I see why rose is listed as like the second note. I see that. And the peony is strong in here. Okay, this is nice. Okay, this is extremely springy. Oh my goodness, you have to like rose to like this one. The scent again is called Scarlet from Decca Scarlet, and this is a special scent that was included with this collaboration with Vellabox. Oh wow, I really like this. Is extremely rose forward. Oh my goodness. I definitely see myself layering this with some of my other scents that have rose in it that might need a little extra oomph for that floral note. I like this. I'm really digging this month's box because it combines my two favorite things that I talk about here on the channel, which, as you all know, are candles and perfume. That's what we do here. So anywho, you all, let's get into the information that always comes in our box. You know, I like to read the story to you all, especially the small business that's featured. So the business again for this month is called Hardeman Home, and I have their information in the description box below as always. Founder Kendall saw her nephew have an allergic reaction to candle after candle, even the ones that claimed to be clean. So she decided to make her own, free of paraffins and paraffin toxins and most allergen triggers. She started making candles on her kitchen stove and storing them in the pantry. When there was no longer room for food, she knew it was time to expand into her own facility and expand Hardeman Home into what it is today. Hardeman Home offers candles and other quality home goods designed to elevate your space. Their greatest joy is being a part of someone's home and all of the memories made within their walls. Super sweet. They are based out of Sealy, Texas. Okay, Texas. Yeah, Texas is going through it right now from what I see. Some of the areas have been hit with tornadoes, so definitely keep Texas in your thoughts and prayers, everyone. I'm noticing that. And I'll have their information below, everyone. And I will say this too, as a special, with the Scentbird collab, we have a special code this month. So you use the special code Vellabox, 50% off of your first month. And this offer is good for a very long time. Scentbird is based out of New York City, by the way, for those that are wondering. So it is US based, yes. And what's cool about it, what I like too, is subscribers receive a 30-day supply of an authentic designer or niche fragrance of their choice straight to their mailbox every month. It's a great way to discover new fragrances without committing to the full-size bottle. I think that is amazing. You all know I do fragrances I'm currently testing just so I can try things out before necessarily buying a whole bunch of bottles of things I hate. And yeah, Scentbird definitely falls along with my philosophy with that. So I'm very happy to feature them on the channel along with Vellabox. So super excited, you all. This is really nice. I'm very pleased with the pairing this month for the Hardeman Home Candle Love Affair again, and the Scentbird scent called Scarlet. I really like this. And it has my special offer flyer in here to get my 50% off of Scentbird. And again, the code for Vellabox at sign up. Super excited. I have all this information below in the description box. So yeah, that wraps up this month's unboxing of the March Vellabox plus Scentbird collab. Elves, let me know what you think. Are you digging it? Do you use Scentbird? If you have, why haven't y'all told me? Talk to me. Leave the comments in the description box below. I love hearing from you all. As always, if you're digging me, subscribe to the channel. If you like the content, like the video, of course. If you don't like neither one, that's fine too. I appreciate you watching the video anyway. Until next time, I will catch y'all next video. Bye, elves.